How to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can see our Gmail password if we have forgotten it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do that. So for that, you need to have your account backed up, your password backed up first. Otherwise, we don't really have the option of seeing our Gmail password. So if you've already backed up your password using Gmail itself, all you need to do is head over to the account at the top and go to Manage Google Account from this section and open up this section. After that, head over to the Security tab, and from here scroll down and go to this Password Manager section, and from here go to Password Manager. Go to Manage Password section from here, and you need to look out for google.com here if you have saved your password. For example, let's say this is google.com. So you need to go to that. For that, you need to provide your security PIN or your security code. After that, when you head over there, you'll be finding your Gmail account. Along with that, you'll be finding a password right below it in this section. And in order to look out for your password, all you need to do is go ahead and tap this eye icon, and when you tap on it, it will show your password. Otherwise, if you have forgotten your Gmail password, you can recover or reset it easily by following the steps. So for that, you can head over to your preferred browser or directly head over to google.com, and after that, you need to go ahead and tap on forgotten password, and use that option in order to recover or reset your Gmail password. So that is it. This is the method you can apply it for now. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.